There's Pete, and now I was going to take it up for him.
So is that safe or armed?
I was going to retry
There we
the Avios Tucano for Peter. And up she goes. Yeah.
Probably won't win the British Hill. I think it's the wind.
There's a lot of down trim in a minute.
Here's the first flight after it was met the ground rather abruptly. Pete's put it back together again. When the gear went up last time, it switched everything off.
More or less hands off, Peter. Flying really nicely actually, lovely.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now what I will do, Peter, since you used the motor, I won't fly it for too long. Okay. Try the flaps or not. Yeah. We'll go for the gear now. Gear. Do have gear, right. It's half flat.
Flat,
Yeah.
I think I'll just leave it at half flat because of the wind and the landing.
Scatter the birds.
Oh, well,
Nice.
good.
Very nice.
Thank God for that.
Slightly better than the first one.
Yeah. That first one was a bit of a disaster, wasn't it? And this is the Avios Tucano. All back in one repaired again. Well done, Pete, well done, Al.